how much should you actually spend on a bike rack for your travel trailer? Because let's be real, people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Allen Sports Deluxe 4-Bike Rack. The Allen Sports Deluxe 4-Bike Hitch Mount Rack caught my eye right away with its sleek black finish and solid build. Priced at $101.55, it's positioned as a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality. If you want a reliable way to transport your bikes without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This rack is designed for 2-inch receiver hitches and features a patented tie-down cradle system. This means each bike is individually secured, protecting them from scratches and movement during travel. It also tilts back, providing easy access to your vehicle's liftgate, which is a must if you need to grab something from the trunk. Plus, the no-wobble bolt ensures your bike stays stable, which is vital for a smooth ride. With over 1,000 units sold in just the past month, it's clear this rack is a popular choice. Now, some people complained about the assembly being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, if you've put together furniture from a store, you can handle this. It might take a little patience, but once it's set up, it's a reliable investment. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, straightforward bike rack that gets the job done. Skip this one if you have a very heavy bike or need something that carries more than 4 bikes. For the price, it offers solid value. Now, if the assembly issue with the Allen Sports Rack bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Young Bike Rack Hitch. We have the Young Bike Rack Hitch, which stands out with a price tag of $199.98. It's a bit on the higher end, but its features might just justify the cost. If you want something that guarantees security and versatility, this is worth a serious look. This rack holds up to 200 pounds, meaning you can transport 2 bikes without worry. The soft potted hooks are a nice touch, ensuring your frames don't get scratched while also preventing swaying during transit. It also tilts down for trunk access without needing to remove your bikes, which is super convenient if you need to grab something quickly. With over 600 units sold recently, it's clearly popular. However, some reviews pointed out that it can be a bit bulky when not in use, but honestly, once you see how well it holds your bikes, that might not even matter to you. It's about what you prioritize, ease of use or compactness. This is perfect for you if you want a sturdy, reliable rack that can accommodate a variety of bikes. Skip this one if you don't want to deal with a larger setup in your garage. For what you get, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize budget and ease of installation.
Product number 3, Max Haul Hitch Mount 4 Bike Rack. Let's talk about the Max Haul Hitch Mount 4 Bike Rack, priced at just $79.99. This one really caught my attention for its affordability without skimping on functionality. If you want a budget-friendly rack that can carry multiple bikes, this is worth a serious look. This rack can carry up to 4 bikes with a total capacity of 150 pounds. That's a lot for a family road trip. The swing down feature is a game changer, letting you access your vehicle's rear without removing the rack. It fits a variety of vehicles and the installation is straightforward, taking just minutes. Plus, it has a reflector for added safety during nighttime travel, which is really important. Now, some users pointed out that it's not foldable, which can be a drawback if space is tight. But here's the thing, if you frequently use it, the compact design when mounted shouldn't be an issue. It's a great value for those who need something reliable and straightforward. This is perfect for you if you often travel with the whole family and need a cost-effective solution. Skip this one if you need something that can easily store away when not in use. For the price, you can't really go wrong. Now, if the Max Haul's lack of foldability concerns you, let's check out another option that offers a different design. Product number 4, Max Haul Platform Bike Rack. We have the Max Haul Platform Bike Rack, priced at $98.21. This one is designed for those who want a platform-style rack that's easy to use. If you're looking for something that securely holds your bikes, this is worth a serious look. This rack can hold 2 bikes, each up to 38 pounds, which is perfect for lightweight mountain or road bikes. The adjustable tire cradles accommodate a range of bike sizes, and the locking knob minimizes wobbling during travel, which is crucial for a smooth ride. It fits 2-inch Class 3 and 4 hitches, making it versatile for various vehicles. With 500 units sold recently, it's clearly gaining traction. However, it's worth noting that it's not compatible with RVs or campers. Some users found that limiting. But I'll be real with you, if you're using it mainly for a car or SUV, that might not matter much. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward platform rack that's easy to load and unload. Skip this one if you're planning to use it for a trailer or need to carry heavier bikes. The value here is solid for casual riders. Now, if the compatibility issue with the Max Haul platform rack concerns you, the next product might fit your needs better.
Product number 5, Sorify Bike Rack. Let's look at the Sorify Bike Rack, priced at $88.99. This one is a solid middle ground option for anyone who needs flexibility with bike transport. If you want a rack that can fit various bike sizes and styles, this is worth a serious look. With a maximum load capacity of 143 pounds, it can hold up to 4 bikes, making it perfect for group outings. It's made from high-quality steel, promising durability and stability on the road. The foldable design is a huge plus, allowing for easy storage and quick access to your vehicle's rear compartments. This is a big deal when you're on the go. It's already proving popular with over 200 units sold recently. However, some users mention it can be a bit heavy. But honestly, if you're transporting bikes regularly, that weight translates to sturdiness, which is what you want on the road. This is perfect for you if you're traveling with friends or family and need something reliable. Skip this one if you prefer something ultra lightweight for occasional use. The construction and versatility make it a great value.
To wrap things up, we covered a range of options today. The Allen Sports model is great for budget-conscious buyers. The Young Bike Rack offers robust features. Max Haul's options are perfect for families, and Sorify provides flexibility. Each has its strengths and will suit different needs. Choose wisely and happy travels.